Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Lab by Saurabh. So today we are going to talk about the one of the most exciting technology in artificial intelligence. It is called the Agentic AI. So many experts believe that Agentic AI will completely change how we work, learn, and build the software. So what exactly is Agentic AI? How it is differently from traditional AI? How does it works, and when it is used, and why is everyone talking about it? So let's understand everything in a very simple language. First, let's understand what is a traditional AI does. Traditional AI is a very good at the answering the questions. You can ask a question, it give you the answer. You can ask another question, it give the another answer. It wait for your next instruction. It doesn't decide what to do next by itself, right? It only responds to your prompt. This is how most AI chatbot work today. So now let's understand agentic AI. So agentic AI is a different, as it instead of only answering the question, it works towards the achieving a goal. You simply give it the goal, then it figure out the steps, it's create a plan, it's use the tool, it perform the action, it check the results, and if needed it change the strategy. This is why it is called the agentic AI. It's become more like an intelligence assistant than a chatbot. Imagine you tell an AI to book my business trip. A normal AI can tell you the website to visit, but agentic AI can do much more. It can search flight, compare the price, book the hotels, add the meeting to your calendar, send the confirmation email, even remind you before your trip. So this is the power of agentic AI. So now let's see how agentic AI works. So the first step is the perceive, right? So this AI collect the information. It understand the environment, right? It read the document. It receive the user instruction. It gather all the required data, right? And the second step is the reason, right? So the AI think about the problem, right? It analyze the different option. It decide the best way to achieve the goal. So reasoning is like a human brain of AI, right? And the step third is the goal setting, right? The AI clearly understand the what success look like, and without clear the goal, there cannot be a good plan, right? The fourth step is the planning. So the AI break one big task into the many smaller tasks. Instead of solving the everything at once, it create a step by step strategy, right? Planning make the complex work easier. And the fifth step is the tool use. Modern AI system can use the many tools. They can search on internet, read the file, use API, access the database, run the Python code, send the email, generate the report, or instead of with the business software. So tool makes AI much more powerful. And the sixth step is the executions, right? So now the AI start the performing the action. It completes its task. It checks whether everything is working correctly. If something fail, is try another solution. The final step is the learning. The AI looks at the result. It understand what work, right? It also understand what failed, and it's improved the future decision. So this makes agentic AI smarter over the time. So now let's compare the traditional AI and agentic AI. So traditional AI answer the question, agentic AI complete the goals. Traditional AI usually work in one step, agentic AI plan many steps. Traditional AI mainly provide the information, agentic AI perform the action. Traditional AI depends heavily on the humans. Agentic AI can work more independently, right? Traditional AI have a very limited memory. Agentic AI remember the context, right? So traditional AI rarely use the tools. Agentic AI actively use the tools and API. So this is a biggest difference, right? So now let's look at the some of the real world problem of application. So in healthcare, AI agent can help the doctor to analyze the patient record, schedule the appointment, assist the diagnosis, right? In finance also, they can detect the fraud, analyze the investment, generate the financial report. In e-commerce, they can recommend the product, manage the inventory, process the customer order, improve the shopping experience. In customer support, AI agent can solve the customer problem, answering the question, even complete the request without any human intervention, right? So there are lots of application in research and education also. They collect the information, summarize the research paper, generate the learning materials. Okay, even Business are also using AI agents in to automate the workflow to reduce the cost. They also improve the productivity. This is why the companies around the world are investing heavily in the agentic AI. So now let's talk about the biggest benefit. The first benefit is the automation. AI agent reduce the repetitive work. The second is the benefit of productivity, right? So people can focus on the creative work. The third is the benefit is the faster decision making, right? So AI process information much faster than the humans. The fourth benefit is the continuous learning. So AI keeps improving without feedback, right? With feedback, sorry. So this is the fifth benefit in the particular collaborations, right? So multiple AI agent can work together on the same project. That is the multi-agent collaboration. Okay, or we can call it as a multi-agent system, right? So this whole process, like multiple agent can work together for particular project for a particular goal. So that system is called the multi-agent system. But every technology have a some challenge, right? Every technology has some kind of challenges. The first thing is the safety challenge. AI should never perform the harmful actions, right? The second challenge is through why AI made a decision, right? So that's why people will have to understand the why AI made the decision. The third challenge is ethics. AI must be fair, transparent, and responsible. Another challenge is the coordinations. When many agents work together, they need proper communication. So finally, a system requires the continuous evaluation to ensure them must be reliable, right? So many powerful framework helping to developer to build the AI systems. Some popular are the Crew AI, LangGraph, AutoGen, AutoGPT, OpenAI Stack. You know, so there are lots of application is there. So this framework makes it easier to build the intelligence AI system. So what is the biggest takeaway in this particular video? So artificial intelligence is moving beyond the answering the question. The future is about the achieving the goal. AI agent can think, plan, use the tools, take the action, and continuous improvement, right? So this technology will transform the healthcare, finance, education, business, software development, many other industries. The future is belonging to intelligent AI agents. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, so please like, subscribe, and subscribe this Think Lab by Saurabh, and let me know in the comment which industry do you think agentic AI will transform the first. See you in the next video. Thank you.